It's more important than ever right now to boost your immune system. While most smoothies are going to have pretty high amounts of sugars and carbohydrates, this delicious low-carb creamy smoothie is packed with only the best ingredients. This is the smoothie my family and I drink every single day to meet our health goals. What's up YouTube? It's Bella here, your lead nutritionist and recipe developer at Metabolic Living. I am so excited to be sharing with you all my morning smoothie recipe today. I handpicked every single one of these ingredients for their immune boosting, health promoting properties. So let's dive straight in, grab your blender and let's get going. So what you're gonna do in the top of your blender, start by adding in your base. So my favorite base to use, and you can use water here if you really fancy, but again, I like the creaminess. So I'm going to be adding in 1.5 cups of unsweetened nut milk. I really love this Forager brand, primarily because it's organic, and that's actually kind of hard to find when it comes to nut milk. So popping in 1.5 cups here, just using my blender for the measurements. Gorgeous. And then next up is my secret little ingredient. This is a 1/4 cup of kefir. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's a probiotic drink. It can be made from cow, goat, rice, coconut, really any type of milk, honestly. So choose your favorite based on your taste and also your health preferences if you're dairy free or not. The probiotics in kefir are going to help modulate your immune system and boost your immunity. So that's kind of our base. And now moving on to our protein. So as you guys know, I use the Metabolic Super Protein. Today I'm doing 1 scoop of the vanilla. Obviously this has got amazing fat burning benefits and obviously high protein, but whey protein actually also works to boost your immune system as it promotes the synthesis of glutathione. Now moving on to my favorite part of my smoothie, my greens. And I know some of you are probably like, I'm just gonna turn this right now off because it's disgusting, but I'm actually gonna be popping in 1/2 cup of spinach. This is a vitamin K powerhouse, great way to start the day. It has really powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory abilities. We're also going to be popping in 1/2 cup of kale. Now, you either love kale or you hate it. It's definitely very trendy right now, but it's a health food beast. It's going to be rich in those vitamins K, A, and C, along with all sorts of other vital nutrients. There's a reason it's so trendy, basically. It really comes with not just immune boosting benefits, but also things like skin health, heart health. Kale is just fabulous. I'm a big fan if you can't tell. And then over here, we have our healthy fats. So this is 1/4 of an avocado, so just popping that in. Now, avocado is not only high in these heart healthy fats that you've probably heard about, but it's also really high in fiber and actually vitamin C. But most importantly, makes the smoothie really creamy and delicious. Trust me on this. Then I'm also going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of organic almond butter. Now, obviously this is another really great source of healthy fats, but almonds are actually really high in vitamin E. Plus, like, you gotta love nut butter. And to top it all off, I always add 2 tablespoons of organic berries. Today I'm going to be using blueberries. I do switch this up sometimes. Please try and buy organic because berries are on the dirty dozen list. Blueberries are super high in antioxidants, one of the most nutritious fruits, honestly, in the world, in my opinion. And it also adds a little bit of sweetness to our smoothie without adding a ton of carbs and a ton of sugar. So popping this on. Now, just a little note to say, you may have noticed in the beginning, I did add a few ice cubes. You can either add like frozen vegetables and fruit here to make it cold. You can add ice. It's entirely up to you. Now you're gonna pop it on the lid and zhuzh it all up. Voila. I like mine to be really smooth. My husband also hates the bits, so I make sure that it's really smooth. And I pour it into my favorite mug. So pour yours into whatever mug is your favorite. Gotta love mason jars. Really easy way to just reuse things over and over. Okay, moving this hefty thing off to the side. And here you have it, my morning smoothie. Cheers. Well, there you have it, guys, my morning smoothie. I hope that you loved this video. If you did, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and also pop in the comments below, especially if you did try it. I would love to know what you guys think. Make sure that you subscribe to our Metabolic YouTube channel if you're interested in more amazing recipes, culinary tips, and workouts. We have it all, and we also post on social media every single day, so make sure you pop over to Instagram and Facebook and follow us there also. We are at Metabolic Living. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys, today. Enjoy your morning smoothie, and I will see you all in another video very, very soon.